Challenges faced by researchers, we feel this every day. If you ever felt like your research ambitions and personal life are in a constant tug of war, well, today we can unravel these challenges faced by researchers in this balancing act. Our research careers are highly demanding. It's there's a lot of pressure to get the next grant, to have the next publication. There's deadlines and expectations. There's a lot of stress and pressure. There's high levels of frustration because many of our experiments, actually most of them, fail. Projects may be slow or ultimately unsuccessful. So we feel like we have a lack of control over this. And when we're expanding the frontiers of knowledge, especially with PhD and postdoc level work, we're going where no one has gone before. So there's an inherent insecurity about that. And maybe your family members won't understand that unless they're scientists, but your circle of postdocs and professors and other graduate students will certainly understand that. So how does this affect our personal time? Who of us ever had to sacrifice personal time for their research? I think everybody can raise their hand there. It's a big commitment of personal time. It reduces your time for family and friends, for hobbies. Maybe you pause some hobbies when you're studying for doctoral candidacy exams, or you're going up for tenure as a professor at a university. There's some times where you have to put everything else aside and focus at the task at hand. Sometimes, when we're in the lab or with scientific colleagues, maybe we can all consider these about our personal time. And many of us require something or someone outside of our work to be truly fulfilled or happy, even if you don't realize it. So the demands of research heavily encroach on our personal time. There's pressure to perform. This leads to implicit expectations for long work hours, but it doesn't always have to be that way. The timing of experimental work can be tough. It can be during the busiest family time. And this happens with me every year. I'm an entomologist. The insects are out in the summer. That's also the most busy time for my family as well. So they have to be understanding that I have to travel for work. And science often demands long consideration, so personal time can seem like the only quiet time that you have. And there's also, peer groups of researchers might always be around and shape your life. So, yeah, these are your lab mates. And I felt like, my time in China, we spent more time with our lab mates than we did with our spouses and girlfriends, boyfriends at home. So, these people are also important in your life.